I remember my first time using Windows 10. I went to delete a file. And the damn pop-up box that normally give you the options of, "Are you sure you want to delete this file?" "Yeah, I want to delete the file." I remember not getting that message. Damn, I could wind up losing a lot of data this way. So, in this video, I'm going to show y'all how to get this pop-up back. Stand by. This video is about to start.
This is the savage scientist Eddie right here. And I'm over in the police car.
So, they have this incident where I just switched over to Windows 10. And most likely, Windows 10 been improving over time, but you know, just in case, you might be the type of person who like to just delete 1,000 files and won't have the pop-up. So I'm gonna show you how to get that pop-up on the screen or that dialog box. Because you know, if I'm talking to a programmer, they're gonna call it a dialog box. But whatever you decide to call it, that's your business. I'm about to show y'all how to get this thing on the screen. So right here I have my recycle bin open, and if you don't know how to get to the recycle bin, just type it into the run box, RECYCLEBI, and there it is. So recycle bin is on the screen, and it's been open the whole time. So I have this black dark theme running. So I have a file right here called VLC crash, and I'm going to restore it back to its original location, and that was in this sound recordings folder. So when I go to delete this, I'm about to hit delete. I'm going to show y'all I'm about to delete this file. So I'm about to hit delete, and you see how this thing just disappeared? And if you ever want to get the file back easily, just go to undo delete. And there it is, it's back. So, what I want to show y'all is how to get a pop-up similar to, like, if you was to delete this off of a flash drive or something, that you'll get a little pop-up that's going to say, "Are you sure you want this deleted?" So to get this in the normal recycle bin, or to have this globally on your computer, meaning no matter where you're at on the computer, you will always be prompted before the file is deleted. You're going to go up to Recycle Bin Tools under the Manage tab. I don't even know why this thing is like this, but you're going to go right here to Recycle Bin Tools, click on it, and then you're going to select Recycle Bin Properties. And on the bottom it's going to say Delete Confirmation Dialog. You're going to select that and then hit OK. You can hit Apply and OK, but if you hit OK, then that's going to automatically apply it. So now whenever I try to delete this VLC crash file, I'm getting this pop-up. That's what I want. So I'm about to delete it now. And I'm about to see it in the recycle bin. And now it's permanently deleted. So hopefully you find this video somewhat useful. I know this is a very simple, basic trick, but we're going to get into more things. So, this is the Savage Scientist, the governor of the state of Swampland. Until I make my next video, peace out and have a Merry Christmas.